Hello, welcome back. This time I will show you editing techniques in Canva. We will create a text outline on Canva like this. If you're curious about how to make it, let's go straight to the tutorial. But before we start, for those of you who have just watched this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Okay, as usual, go to the main Canva page and create a new design. Here I use the custom size and choose the Instagram post size. After entering the Canva editor page, now we will start creating a text outline. Follow step by step to create it. First step, let's look for a model that we will apply the online text effect. You can use your personal photo, but here I will first look for a model that is suitable for us to edit into the text outline. Now we will set the size in our design. After finding the right position, we will remove the background. If you use Canva Pro, then you can immediately delete the background via the photo editing menu. But because I use the free Canva, I need a third party to remove the background. To remove the background to a third party, we need to download the design first. Go to Share button and select Download and select PNG or JPG format. Wait for the downloading process. And when it is finished, open a new tab in your browser and type in the search website, Remove Background. Go to the remove.bg website, and here we will remove the background from the design that we downloaded earlier. Look for the file that we have downloaded and drag and drop it into the Remove Background website page and wait for them to remove the design background. After finishing removing the background, we can download the file. After that, go to Canva again and upload the photo from which we removed the background to our Canva editor. After that, we enter it into the editor. Adjust the position of the previous image with the image from which we have removed the background. After that, we will enter text into the design. Here I will enter the text. Go to the text tab and type the sentence. Don't forget to set the text size like this, and once it is sufficient, we can duplicate the text. Now we will move this text to the back of the model object, right-click on the text and select Layer, then select Send to Back. Right-click on the text and select Duplicate. After that, select the text that has been duplicated and match its position to the previous text. Now we will create the text outline, click on the text that has been duplicated, and after that select the Hollow Effect menu. To get good results, you can adjust the thickness level of the outline. Good work! Now we have created a text outline effect into our design. The next step is optional. You can add additional elements or text to make your design even better. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video tutorial.